Hey again, it's Jennifer. Welcome to another 2-minute training from your favorite speech therapist. Today, we're talking about thickened liquids. Thickened liquids, or thickened drinks, are used to help people who have difficulty swallowing. They work by increasing the viscosity of a liquid, basically adding resistance to how freely it is able to move. Thin liquids, like water, have a low viscosity, meaning that it flows quickly from the mouth into the pharynx and down into the stomach. But this rate might be too fast for your loved one's pharyngeal muscles to coordinate and complete a safe swallow. This will cause the liquid to go down the airway and into the lungs. Coughing and pain are usually the first signs that your loved one may have swallowed something down the wrong pipe. And that's where thickened liquids can help. If you slow down the flow of the liquid, you are essentially giving your loved one's swallow response the time that it needs to coordinate and contract, so the liquid can stay on the right path to the stomach instead of going into the lungs. You can thicken liquids into 4 different consistencies. Nectar thick thickens the liquid to a consistency of a tomato juice or a fruit smoothie. Honey thick is the consistency of honey, and pudding thick is, you guessed it, the consistency of pudding. But thankfully that one is rarely ever prescribed. And within the last 2 years, a new thickness level was created, and it's called slightly thick, and it is a consistency between a thin and a nectar thick. To thicken liquids, I like to use Simply Thick Gel because it dissolves well in any liquid and it doesn't leave clumps or become thicker over time. To use the thickener, simply add a single serving pouch or 1 pump of thickener into 4 ounces of liquid and mix well with a utensil or shake vigorously for 30 seconds. And voila! A thickened drink is formed. To know if your loved one needs thickened liquids, talk to your doctor about a speech therapist consult right away. And that's a wrap. See you for the next training.